Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a quick video and get to the point. The manuals for this snapper trimmer that I purchased in Walmart are not very helpful, and online tech support is not very helpful, and the forums are not very helpful. But snapper S27SS gas trimmer, this is how you feed line into it. And ignore the manuals that are online. One of them tells you to take off this red bump knob. Another one tells you to take off this outer cover. There's some tabs on the side. Those are all wrong. Took me a long time to figure out, but all you need to do is two things. One is line up these arrows with the outer cover arrows, both sides. All right. And secondly, cut yourself two pieces of trimmer line. I don't know the length. You can probably do 10 feet each line, but you need two pieces, one for each side. And all you need to do is feed one line into the hole. While this is lined up, it'll go in about maybe 2 to 3 inches. It'll stop once you'll figure out once you're done. And then you do the same thing on the other side. You'll feed in the second line, same way, and you'll see it go into a little hole, and then it'll thread in, and then it'll hit a bump and stop. And then once you've got those pieces started, all you need to do is grab this knob and rotate it clockwise. With one hand, hold this black piece so it doesn't move, and with the other hand, just rotate it clockwise, and it'll draw it all in. And that's all you need to do to reload and replace the line on this trimmer. Good luck.